everyone, welcome once again to Cooking with Tita right here in my kitchen. Today I would like to share my pancake, banana pancake that is. So come on, cook with Tita and let's go through our ingredients. We have 3 overripe bananas, 2 cups of all-purpose flour, unbleached that is, 1.5 cup of milk, whole milk, 2%, whatever you wish to use, plus 1/4 cup if needed. So let's put that over here. 1/4 cup melted butter, 1/4 cup white sugar, 3 teaspoon vanilla, half teaspoon of salt, and half teaspoon of baking soda, 4 teaspoon of baking powder, softened butter to grease your skillets. Okay, you need a brush. So let's just put that over here. Now we need 3 eggs. Out of these 3 eggs, we want 2 whites, and we're going to put all the yolks in here. So let's start now. First, we're gonna separate the eggs. Okay, what I do this like that. Halfway open the eggs like this. That is separating the white from, that's how I do my, if you don't have separator. I do have separator, but it's easy for me to do this. Okay, so that's 1 yolk right there. Okay. See how easy? So we put that thing over here. All right, now the whole egg, let's put that in there. Now we're going to smash this. Not too much. I like my banana pancakes with a chunk. But if you don't want that, if you want to really mash your banana, that's up to you. That's good enough for me. See? That's good enough. Okay, now, along with that, I am going to put my vanilla in here. And I'm going to kind of just, let me put everything in here. The white thingy over here. I mean white thingy, liquid. Kind of fold it. Okay. So that's that. Over here, we're going to put our sugar, salt, baking soda, and baking powder together. Stir just enough to mix. Okay. That's enough. Now, we're going to put everything in here. Okay. By the way, my milk, it's from the refrigerator. So now we're going to put everything in here. All right. And we're going to fold this. I like to use spatula. But if you have a handheld mixer, go ahead and use that. But you don't want to overmix your batter. You don't want to overmix it. Yeah, see? Just mix it enough to moisten your batter. And then now we're gonna turn our attention to the 2 whites that we separated. Okay? We're gonna beat this until it's airy. Okay? I don't know if you can hear me, but it's starting to get white. And we're going to do this until it's, sort of like when you're using this for meringue. See, it's almost there. Yeah. Now if you don't have any mixer like what I'm using right now, and if you're using your hand, this is gonna be a little bit longer than if you're using your mixer like I'm doing right now. So you have to be patient. This is what makes your pancake really airy, really floppy. That is floppy like cloud. Almost. Okay, so see, it's really airy. You see, really airy. We're going to let this stand just right here while we heat our skillet. Iron skillet, the best if you have it. Otherwise, if you don't have it, in a skillet, heat them up, medium high heat, okay? Not too hot because you don't want to burn your pancake. We're preheating our skillet. Just go ahead and brush your skillets so that it won't stick on the bottom. You know, you need either margarine or oil just to brush the skillet like so. Okay, and don't forget your heat has to be just medium high. Now we're going to fold the white egg that we did. So we're gonna go ahead and fold it. We're not vigorously mixing it, we're just folding it, okay, into the batter. Don't over mix it, just fold it like that. Okay, so it seems like as of now we don't need that, but the more it sits, maybe you need to add more milk. So just leave it there, you might need it. So now we're gonna scoop. There you go, see that? All right, over here. So now wait until the top of your pancakes are kind of airy, bubbly, I should say, holy. It would have a lot of holes, okay? And you can tell that it's kind of getting dry. So that's when you flip it, okay? You see what I mean, guys? The edges of the pancakes, it's kind of dry, like, you know, like that. You see? Can you see? Now, you have to be careful because, yeah, see that? It's easy now. So, kind of go around like that, okay? That's perfect. That's perfect. Okay? Let me see. Oh, you know what, guys? Oh, see that? That's perfect. That is perfect. You see? You know what? While I'm hovering about on the top of this skillet, I can smell the banana. You know, it's delicious, guys. Okay? So, go ahead and cook the rest of your pancake. And by the way, like I said, you gotta watch your butter, okay? Because sometimes the flour need more liquid sometimes. So that is the reason why you have this ready to add over here if the butter kind of get too dry. You understand? Like that. Okay, not too dry, not too sticky. You understand what I'm saying? So we're gonna go ahead and cook that, and then I'll show you the final products. Okay. All right, here is the final products. So guys, that's about it. It's easy, healthy. Look at how floppy that is, guys. Look at that. See, The reason why I like my pancake brown like this, because of the banana. It's like caramelized banana, really fluffy and delicious. Now you can do yours lighter than that if you want to. This is a very quick breakfast. You can go ahead and freeze it if you can't eat it all like I'm doing right now. It's easy for me to just get one or two every day. But anyhow guys, enjoy your pancakes, okay? And like I always say, I'll see you again right here in my kitchen when you cook with Tita. And like I always say, bon appetit. Enjoy guys. Bye.